Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ray's Forex Tips. Of course, I'm Ray Smith, all right? I love trading currencies. Some people just trade, like they find a broker, or some people use Forex trading. And so one of the things that I want to do for you is this, is that there is an ebook, okay, called Forex Trading, 21 Secrets That Made Me Rich. And we want to give it to you free, okay? Now, if you're in Forex trading, or if you're in trading, or just want secrets to make you rich in different areas, this ebook is going to be something really wonderful for you. One, because like this book right here, The Law of Success, which is a great book. Look how thick it is. So anyway, you have to read it, you have to study it, you have to understand how to apply it, all the different techniques and everything. So we are in this generation, this microwave generation, where we want information, we want it quick. So there's this ebook again called The 21 Secrets That Made Me Rich. And of course, it's going toward Forex trading. You can use it other things too, but Forex trading. And so again, we want to give it to you free, but to even help you, we want to give you one of the secrets right now. Now this is secret number 9, all right? Follow the news. So you have to understand something. News is so important. Trends are so important in trading because people are listening, and as people listen, stocks, currencies, they go up and down. So you have to understand what's going on in the news and follow the trends. So one of the keys to successful forex trading is staying up to date with the latest news and events that can implement the market. Forex traders who stay informed about the market development are better equipped to make informed trading decisions, which can lead to better returns. That's what it's all about, better returns. Swing trading forex is a popular forex trading strategy that involves holding positions for several days to take advantage of short-term price movements. To be successful at swing trading, forex traders must stay up to date with news and events that can impact the market short term. So that's your bottom line. See, it's all about how much money are you making, okay? Let's see. By following the news, okay, then you can make a determination, because timing is so important. Depending on this news, maybe you should wait on something, or maybe you should move on something according to the news, okay? Now it says here that this strategy involves using news releases to inform trading decisions. It also uses a strategy to stay up to date with economic releases, central bank announcements, and other news that can impact the market. And so the thing about this is so interesting, all right? Because you have to have a strategy. Because if you move just by the news, then you can miss opportunities. So you have to understand the news to make sense to forex trading, or whatever you are trading. Certain news may be, may not have anything to do with the market, okay? So you want to understand this, And we talked about having an expert advisor or those sort of things. Talk to a broker, talk to an expert advisor, and let them share with you what news makes sense for you and what news should you be looking to. See, the thing about being an expert is this. Don't be the only expert, all right? Don't let your advice be all. So in other words, you have learned, you have studied, okay? You can leverage that. But also let other people, expert advisors, study the trends, study news, also let that be a part of your decision making, okay? And as you do that, your decision makers be much more solid. So in conclusion, the news is an essential part of successful forex trading. Forex traders who stay informed about the market developments and news events are better equipped. And so as you're making your decisions, okay, and as you are equipped to make the right decisions, your profits will be greater and your losses will be smaller, okay? So again, we want to give you this free ebook. It's going to help you tremendously. Forex trading, the 21 secrets that made me rich. Sign up today.